blonde hair. You know, don't give it away. Hey guys, I love this song, Wale.
Let me be hypothetical. If today I find a woman, I'd probably be scared to share it. The idea of me finding love.
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
Do it better though, but still saying let it go. In your eyes forever. Baby, you got it. You don't belong to anyone but you. If there's a question of my love, you got it. Well, straight out of Compton Reloaded.
Are you gonna give the people stuff? Oh,
Hi. Should I tell them what we're doing?
Is she pregnant?
What? That's what we're doing?
No, no.
Child.
We're on our way to the house.
Yeah.
We can't disclose the information of where they live.
Why do you sound like that?
We're going
on a road trip. Out of the city.
Not disclose this information.
What is it, a barbecue? A barbecue, wedding anniversary, event, annual, something. Yeah.
We will sit and talk.
What?
We will sit and talk.
That we will. So yeah, well, that's where we're going right now. And we just ate some McDonald's.
So we're going to be there at like 9 o'clock.
We just ate some McDonald's. And it was so good. The fries are so good. Fries with the bomb.com.
You know, because I watched the Hannah Montana movie this week. She watched the Hannah Montana movie. It's like, put this in it. She played the movie on the box, the Hannah Montana movie.
Oh, shit. That was our movie, though.
And I told her, you used to say decline, it's decline.
But that's what I said in the theater.
I know, that's what I was telling her.
It's decline.
See, I can tell you to stop.
Fish, I stick to the drawing.
Stick
to the drawing. But when I get out, you know, I can show you guys my outfit of today and stuff. Me too. Yeah, so see you guys in like 3 hours when we reach our destination.
3 hours?
Something in my teeth?
No.
That's why your YouTube thing?
Yeah.
Do people even watch you?
Yeah.
How much?
I have about 5,000 views.
5,000 views?
Yeah.
The same person watched you 5,000 times? That's a stalker.
I don't have 5,000 videos. Anyways, guys, bye.
Yeah.
They teach them something upon the board, right?
Exactly.
Yes, Mr. Ricard.
So now you have this.
Yeah, so now I'm here at our unknown destination. Finally we reached, the beach reached, everything reached. Everything is here. All the food stays. It's alright. Great. Yeah, this is what I was actually coming for. The nachos thing. Yeah.
Hey, to get a water now.
Huh?
Hey, to get a water.
Wait, I'm sorry?
Hold on, let me speak English.
Oh, sorry. I thought I see ketchup on the camera. Sorry. Yeah, like right. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the glasses. What's happening now? What is there?
Say if you head to get a water.
It's my head.
Yeah.
I didn't come this far for nothing.
Hey, Asia. There goes Omar. Yeah, we get behind the scenes. That is YouTube drama for you. You understand? Like thing turn up. Are you going tomorrow? I might need a ride, so I might call you. You understand? Just keep your phone line open. What? Alright.
No one's doing speech Ricardo, so she gets started.
Can I get some of the pork? I don't want fish, I want pork. Okay, never mind.
I have nothing to say, but congrats.
Okay.
Let's go. Get set.
No, Kirk, you're gonna mess up everything.
Get set. Go. Go. No. Kirk. Go, daddy. Go, daddy. Go.
No. Nah, that was a 5. Ooh. That was a 5. Do it again.
You know he's gonna come hug me or something. Where's the selector?
Yeah, that's my sister. She doesn't want to be on it, but that's her. No. Who made it? Nothing.
We're selected. That's selected if we get fired. We're music. Turn up the tone. Selector.
Can you shut up, please? Or give me back my glasses.
What's this?
A s'more? Oh, that.
Bro, you're not going that far, man. Where did these come? Hold on. What are those?
You guys are stupid.
About this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I can do it. Let's see how good it is.
Sorry.
I don't know. Yeah. Am I ready for this?
The struggle is real.
I don't know, magic. I
don't know. It looks like it has rice on it, or is it coconut?
It's coconut. Look at me.
Beauty unsure. She's unsure of her beauty. Just kidding. Sorry, what'd you say? Thank you. What'd you say? Yeah, right. You're going in there for sure. Thank you so much, Sugar Plum.
Sorry, you're not allowed. Yeah, no, like actually. I don't know yet. No, you can have a piece. Yes, you can have a piece.
I got my red coat. Oh, I got my sun up to the boss. Yeah, I got my red coat. Let me just stop the Chanel, Serena, and Halloween. Really? Everybody has baby pictures with the two of them. Yeah, man, I have a baby picture with them, man.
I wasn't ready, baby.
I can't remember that far back, okay?
I was. You wanna hold on?
Oh God, you have
No, but hold on. Like a baby picture. Like I think I was so cute.
I love that picture. I love that picture.
Like your armpit bitch.
When you spill liquor on your daughter, yeah, you know you drunk when. Turn up. Yeah, turn up is real. You hold this for me? I can't. Hold it, girl. This is hilarious right now. You know you're drunk when?
Guys, that's my strange cousin, okay? You know you're drunk when he's drunk. I am the fire right now. You understand?
Not even the neck cam manager. Oh my god. You know what's funny? How all these kids know to bring their onesies. I swear to God. John, you're the funny thing by you. Not even the YouTube. Worldwide, international.
YouTube.
This is international. I tell you, watch the app.
Bop, 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 bop.
I swear this is crazy. It's okay, you're in there, you're in there. Go on, Joy. Oh no, oh no. Wait. I have to get the legs in that bad boy. No, that's a pull-up. That's not even a rewind. That's a pull-up. I swear. That's a pull-up right there. Here, girl. I'ma stop it.
What you say, I'm okay.